Ditch the laundromat. Wash anywhere with this off-grid, no electric portable laundry game-changer. Imagine this. You're out exploring, camping under the stars, or hopping between hostels, then reality hits. Dirty laundry. But hold up, no need to hunt down a dodgy laundromat or scrub your socks in a sink. The Dezitrek one-hand wash bag and plunger set is here to revolutionize the way you clean clothes on the go. This eco-friendly, portable, and manual washing machine lets you wash a full load in minutes, anywhere, anytime. No electricity, no hassle, just clean clothes, fast. It's a must-have for campers, travelers, RVers, and off-grid adventurers. Forget those gimmicky, portable washers that barely handle a t-shirt. This beast packs a punch. The Plunger agitator mimics a real washing machine, plunging and swirling your clothes for a deep, thorough clean. No weak hand washing here, this thing works. The telescopic aluminum handle makes plunging effortless, while the tough, fiber-reinforced PVC wash bag holds more clothes than any other portable washer out there. Need a laundry hamper between washes? Boom, it doubles as one. Compact, lightweight, and ready to roll, this travel-friendly gem fits right in your suitcase. Let's talk savings. Laundromats cost a fortune, hotels charge per sock, and electric washers waste energy. The Dezitrek plunger wash bag pays for itself in just a few washes, keeping your wallet happy and your footprint small. No batteries, no power, no waste. Just add water, detergent, and give it a few plunges, it's that easy. Plus, it uses way less water than traditional washing methods, making it a win for you and the planet. Who knew laundry could be this simple, affordable, and sustainable? Built tough and made to last, this high-quality manual washing system outperforms flimsy plastic washers that crack under pressure. The heavy-duty materials are designed for daily use, so whether you're on a weekend trip or a year-long trek across the globe, this thing holds up. Unlike other portable washers that leak, struggle with large loads, or require Herculean effort, this one is leak-proof, ultra-efficient, and easy on the arms. It's been tested, loved, and trusted by adventurers worldwide. Bottom line, if you travel, camp, live off-grid, or just want a smarter way to do laundry, this is the washing solution you need. No waiting at laundromats, no scrubbing in sinks, no wasting water. Just fast, easy, eco-friendly washing, wherever life takes you. Ready to upgrade your laundry game? Grab the Dezitrek plunger wash bag today and wash your clothes like a boss, off-grid style.